I'm going to show you a quilting hoop. The hoop is in fact made of two parts, an inner ring and an outer ring, which has a wing nut on it, so to open it out and make it bigger or smaller. This particular one is quite a large one. This one here is a little bit smaller. This one's a 14-inch hoop. Because the wood on this one is a bit old and rough, I've actually bound it with tape around the outside to make sure it doesn't damage my fabric. You need to choose the hoop to suit the size of project. Because this project I've been working on is quite small, you can see that it will all fit inside the one hoop. Usually you have to move the hoop around and do different sections of a project, particularly on a big quilt. You also have to make sure that your hand can reach right across the whole of the hoop, which obviously I can on this one. Some people might find that more awkward to support a big hoop like this. What I'm going to do is put the inner solid ring underneath. And then my top ring, with the one with the fastening, goes over the top. Make sure you open the screw first. Put it over the top. Make sure it's loose enough to press down the middle to touch the table, and then tighten up the outer hoop. Now it's firmly gripping the fabric and you can carry on. Now when you're ready to start stitching, the way I use this hoop and hold it, I move the chair back and then I will rest the edge of the hoop on the edge of the table, and then I've got room to have one hand on the top and one hand underneath. If you're sitting in an armchair, quite often what I do is rest the hoop on this arm here with my arm on the table or the arm of the chair, and then I can stitch again like this.